Do you want to add a touch of creativity and uniqueness to your quilting projects? Introducing the revolutionary 2.5 edition binding by AGF, where creativity knows no bounds. Here's the magic of our 2.5 edition binding. Each fabric strip features 2 distinct designs. This means you can mix and match, creating endless possibilities for your quilt's bindings. First, choose the binding strips that best complement your quilt's color scheme and style. Second, cut your fabric strips into 2.5-inch widths. Sew the binding together to create a seamless alignment of the pattern. Trim any excess fabric, open seam allowance. Now fold the 2.5 edition binding in half and press. When attaching the binding strips to the edges, feel free to mix and match the design as you go, adding a unique touch to your project. When you reach the end, join the binding strips, perfectly seamless, ensuring a clean finish. Our 2.5 edition binding has redefined quilting, allowing you to express your creativity like never before. With its dual design feature, you can craft quilts that are as unique as you are. We're excited to offer 20 stunning fabric designs, and here's the exciting part. Some have 2 options, and a few even offer up to 4 unique combinations. With this range of choices and versatility, you're sure to find the perfect binding to complement your project based on the colors of your quilt top or backing. It's all about unlocking your creativity and creating truly unique quilts. If you're wondering about the number of strips in the yard of our 2.5 edition binding, here's a scoop. Each yard is packed with not just a few, but a generous 14 to 15 strips. This means you'll enjoy extra flexibility and creative options with each yard of our high-quality binding. Take your quilting experience to the next level with our 2.5 edition binding. Unleash your imagination and turn ordinary quilts into extraordinary works of art. Visit our website at artgalleryfabrics.com to order your 2.5 edition binding and start your journey to quilting creativity. And don't miss out on this game-changing innovation.